How to easily fix a drywall crack the unconventional way. Now, I've been in this house about 30 years. I've painted this walls a bunch of times. This is a persistent crack. So I've done this before on a couple other walls. It's a very easy way of permanently fixing the crack. I'm going to start with just a razor knife and I'm going to cut a V groove. I'm going to cut out the crack and I'm going to cut kind of deep. Doesn't have to be a wide V, but it does have to be a deep V. You almost want to be at the back of the drywall. Now, this process is not going to use any tape at all. It's actually pretty quick. I'm going to use a product called Bondo Glass. Now, Bondo has a few different products. This one is their fiberglass product. I actually use it for making boat repairs. Anyway, you want to press that deep into the crack. Don't worry about filling the entire crack, but you do want to press it down deep so it gets all the way to the back of the drywall. That's going to dry quickly. It's going to adhere to both sides of that V groove that we cut, and it's also going to kind of mushroom over the back and grab onto the back of the drywall. Now, it dries in about 5 or 10 minutes. I'm just using an oscillating sander, 80 grit, smooth it all out. And then I'm going to finish this off just like I would any sheetrock or drywall repair, just with a little spackle. And sometimes you have to do this, 2 times to fill in the entire void. Sanding it off. I used 100 grit to sand it off. If you notice, I also attached the wet dry vac to my sander so it didn't create that much dust. Then I primed it and painted it. Number one, the repair looks great. You'll never know that the crack was there, but most importantly, it should last for many, many years. The cracks that I've done this way have lasted over 10 years. Thanks for watching.